But it says in the directions, do not use to dye eyelashes and eyebrows. What's the worst can happen? We're gonna do it anyway. Y'all see the glow? Girl, do you see the difference? Like, I know I'm oily, so it's automatically giving like a good glow. I also feel the difference. It feels really soft. Y'all see the eyebrows, right? Y'all see the eyebrows. I'm gonna do something that I've never done, just to spice it up a little bit. Okay, while I was digging and searching for my new razor, right, I finally found it. I found some box dye, and I found $10, right? So it was meant to be. I got this dye for when I was finna get a sew-in last year. They actually just ended up like rinsing my hair for me. We got a natural black here, and I think it's gonna be a little too dark, but I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna dye my brows. Y'all think I should? I don't care what you think, because I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna go ahead and like wash my face real quick, or maybe I shouldn't wash my face before I put this on my skin. Hold on, let me read a little bit. Let me read the directions. Do not use to dye eyelashes and eyebrows. I don't know, like I might have to break the rules. What's the worst can happen? We're gonna do it anyway. And I like thin eyebrows. I don't know about y'all, but like thin brows, give natural, okay? Don't tell nobody I told you though. I mean, unless you have thick brows, okay, naturally. But I'm a naturally thin browed girl, so I embrace. So I don't know. Y'all, I kind of snapped on the brow cut this time. Like, I ain't did it in a minute. So it says, cut the tip off the applicator bottle. Pour all the ammonia colorant into the cream developer bottle. Let's pour it in. Because we don't have any clothes on while in there. It's in. Shaking vigorously. Brushes that might do the trick. Just a bit. Get them now. Get a good look. I'm nervous. Hopefully, when I go to wipe this off, my eyebrows don't come off with it. And I have Ellen this jarlet. I think you just throw it away when you're done, but I guess you can just like use the rest for your edges or something, girl. If your edges thin, I don't know. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage because I don't need it anymore. And I have like 3 more boxes of this stuff, so I will be back. Let's do this. So we can really see. This one I can see it. This one, I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me turn my yabba down. I know y'all can like hear it in the background, but that's okay. I don't know. I feel like this one I can see it, but maybe that's just because my eyebrows are a little thicker. But I don't know about this one. And I know your eyebrows are not twins. but I don't know. I'm gonna wash my face and see like how it's coming once I wash like all my face off. After color conditioner, I'm gonna use this, my spoolie, and I'll wash it out later. I'm gonna just be generous. Put that in my so brows. Oh, it smells good. That's how much eyebrow like I left behind. Because I don't have like an eyebrow cutter. So I still always have a lot of eyebrows left. Y'all, I feel like it did not work. Maybe I should have left it on the full 25 minutes. Right now, it doesn't look like it did anything, honestly. I feel like I felt when I first cut them. This was such a journey, wasn't it? I've literally been so scared to do this, but doing it on camera made me a little bit more comfortable. I'm gonna come back, wash my face, come back.
See you in the morning. Sometimes I still pretend you can see that I so I catch you walking now. I never said that I can't get back. Look at something with a
oil, vitamin E oil to be specific. It is my Glow D. This is it. This is the final. Y'all, let me know if you like my hair. It looks a little dry because it's been out all day now. I tried to do some coils. It failed miserably. Let me know what y'all think about the eyebrows. I'm not seeing no difference. This is giving what it was giving before I put that on. I'm just gonna thank God that I didn't lose my eyebrows altogether. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think about my little mini glow up. Don't forget to like it, comment something nice, maybe some hearts. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.